בוקר טוב, כמו שאומרים. זה לא יום השבתה, וזה לא לעשות שרירים. נגמרו המשחקים. המדינה עכשיו מתחלקת.
חשוב להם, עוד נשארו אנשים שידברו עבור האזרחים.
I watch my country just continuing a non-ending war, with hostages not being released for almost 2 years now, and they're my age, and I'm worried for the future of this country. And I think it has to stop. We have to change direction. We have to stop the war and to try and keep the democracy and the roots of the moral conscience of our nation, of our state.
אנחנו רוצים דבר אחד, נבצרות עכשיו! נבצרות עכשיו!
There have been extreme police violence. They're taking control of the police. They're taking control of the army. At the moment, they went back to a war that has no necessity to be there, just in order to keep their seat and to bring the minister, the ex-minister of police back, Itamar Ben-Gvir, who is a settler, in order to continue their takeover by passing the fiscal laws, which are also totally against the law. So, and against the people. So that's why I'm here. Very angry, very, very, very upset. What I would want is a government who would choose to go towards a peace agreement, who would choose to try and make this country into really a country of peace, a country of cooperative living, and not what this government has been doing for years, which is to divide and rule.
אנחנו צריכים להיערך להשבתה מוחלטת של המשק ללא הגבלת זמן. היה מקבל דולרים מאל-קאעידה!